Hey, this is Anton from the Adobe Premiere team, and I'm excited to show you our new generative media tool in Premiere. Let's jump right into a reel edit. This commercial is almost done, but still has a few gaps. Let me show you how to fill them without ever leaving the edit. With the new generative media tool, you can generate videos and sound effects right in your timeline. First up is this visual gap. The edit is missing an area shot that the crew couldn't get on location. Here's how it works. Pick the tool, then click and drag to create a range selection. That range can be on any video track, audio track, or both if the model supports it. It works similar to a clip. You can trim it, move it, and it'll snap into place. You can also simply double-click on a gap in the timeline. The new generative taskbar is your hub for everything that comes next. Firstly, you can choose between a variety of Adobe Firefly and partner models like Google Veo, Kling, or Luma. I'll use Veo for this shot and already prepared a prompt. A prompt alone won't match my project though. To get a production-ready output, the model needs the visual context of my project. In Premiere, I can now natively sample reference frames straight from my own footage. You can pick the frames left and right to the selected range, sample any frame in the project, or use one from your device. We are bringing the models to the footage instead of taking the footage to the model, so there's no context switching and no exporting. The feature detects your sequence specs like aspect ratio and resolution and auto-matches them to the model's nearest available option. For this drone shot, the only thing I need to do is find a good frame, like this one, and sample it with one click using the built-in eyedropper. If you ever need to go back and fine-tune or double-check the reference you used, simply click the new AI badge and get back to the taskbar. For the intro, I also want a desert ambient sound effect, but I don't have one in my library. Same idea. I draw a range on my audio track and describe the sound I want. I can even use my voice to guide the timing and intensity so it lands exactly how I need it. Let's add a few final tweaks like these smooth audio fades, then give it a look and a listen. Everything you just saw happened all without ever leaving the edit. This is the new generative media tool in Premiere, the first step of AI generation that lives where your video project already is. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.